Welcome to N22 News, your trusted source for global updates and breaking headlines. You're watching N22 News, where every minute counts and every headline matters. A South Australian study has found that bite-resistant wetsuits can play a crucial role in reducing the severity of shark attack injuries, with Flinders University researchers confirming that the specially designed material can withstand the force of a shark's bite and significantly lower blood loss and tissue damage. While the technology does not make swimmers, divers, or surfers shark-proof, experts say it could be life-saving by giving victims valuable time to reach safety, offering a powerful new layer of personal protection alongside existing shark monitoring and deterrent measures in Australia's coastal waters.